Okay.
Hello, it is Memorial Day, and while we're cooking steak and had the longest day on the TV, we thought we'd take a moment to talk about our water filtration system, which is new. What you got?
Well, I bought one of these popular sports bottles that has one of these filters that dangles on the end of this silicone tube that goes into this bottle, and the way to get the filtered water out of it is to squeeze the bottle, creating pressure inside the bottle, and it'll come out of this silicone tube up top here. However, it's kind of slow. The rate of flow is slow, so I was trying to figure out a way to speed it up. So I took the filter, got my own silicone tube, and what I'm doing is I'm creating a vacuum within this mason jar, and I'll put the filter in this water. Polluted. But the specs on these filters say that it'll filtrate anything. I believe it's down to 0.1 microns. The filter doesn't have any water in it, so it's kind of trying to float right now. Anyhow, the other part, while that absorbs some water, is a vacuum pump. This is called a Mighty Vac, actually. It's been taped up and repaired a couple of times. Mechanics use it to bleed brakes.
Where do you find something like that?
Auto parts store.
Okay.
I think I got it at like AutoZone. And
So that supplies the pressure.
well, this creates the vacuum, and once you create the vacuum in your can, you can see the water beginning to flow. And if you look into through the glass, or even better yet, maybe perhaps on the side of the glass where it's measuring.
Okay, that's going pretty fast.
That's going pretty fast. I've got the vacuum gauge reads 10.
And that doesn't require electricity or batteries. You just plug it in and pump it, hand pump, manual.
Right.
And
This is small enough to take with you pretty much anywhere. Some of the other ones don't even have valves on them. You don't even have to have a valve. You could take this valve off and plug this hole with a screw if you wanted to.
To make space.
It would still create a vacuum, yeah. But you can see how fast it's filtering out this water.
Yeah, that was full.
It's way faster than if you could squeeze it out of the bottle, especially like in our case, we have 4 people in our family.
And our cat.
True, and this said 24 ounces, so basically I've filtered 24 ounces through the filter with the help of this vacuum pump by creating a vacuum in this mason jar, and right about now I should be sucking air, and there it goes. I don't know how long that took, but you guys will be able to tell, but I just got an entire 24 ounces worth of filtered water. But that's a way to speed up your rate of flow from your filter.
So I could use that like if I was out in the woods and I could get something from a stream, and it'd be the 0.1 micron filter thingy would be enough so that I wouldn't get really sick.
Yes, if you could
Pump.
pack it.
Yeah.
You'd have to take it with you.
Awesome. And I think that your next experiment is with maybe a plastic or a lighter weight bottle rather than the mason jar, the glass.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
All right, we'll check back in when we have something like that done. Thanks a lot. Happy Memorial Day.